Yo, what's up? What up, guys? I have got BAM! It's a Honda GX200 clone engine, so a replica. But yeah, I've got a motor, guys. 6.5 horsepower, 206 feet. I'm gonna try and start it up. I just put oil in it and I'll chuck some fuel and see if I can start her up. So we have some brakes, a sprocket, and a chain, and new tie rod ends. The chain's not here, but I think this is everything we need to be able to get the go-kart to start and drive. Oh, to be able to use it. So yeah. Okay guys, we have made progress. We have brakes, had to make a custom bracket to fit this brake. But yeah, we have brake. And then it leads to the brake master cylinder, I guess. The bolts aren't long enough, so it's just sitting on the bolts that I put on, but I need long ones so I can tighten it. And then once I get new bolts, I need bolts for this as well to connect to the pedal. And then we have brake system done. We have steering, yeah, heaps of angle, and the cool steering wheel. To put that seat on, but I have to make a bracket for that one, so I put this one on for now. And then the motor has a sprocket now, so we have sprocket, I have a chain, and I just need to connect the accelerator cable and then put the skid plate on. So I just need bolts for the brake to connect that up, skid plate, mount the motor with the chain, and accelerator cable. And I'll be able to test it. Yeah. Guys, we will be testing the go-kart today. The only thing left to do is put the motor on, chain, and accelerator cable. Nice. But guys, mission failed. Just needed to hook up the chain. And it fitted there. And I went to check it on here. And this is a different size sprocket for the chain. So I need to change the rear sprocket or the front sprocket to match. I got false advertised with this one. I got told it was at 40-20 chain size. So that's why I brought the sprocket a 40-20. And I arrived and one of these are different. And I'm pretty sure it's this one. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. We will not be driving the go-kart today. Why guys, why? Why did this have to happen on the very last thing? Could have been bleeding down the road right now, testing it. But no. It had to happen on the very last thing, man. Can at least hear the motor, eh? But no.